First trip to the Amazon bin store, and one word can describe it: great. Welcome back, guys. I am on the back porch. The middle Yinzer's back here behind me. She is joining me. They just got home from school. But I'm going to show you the haul today from a recently opened Amazon bin store in the Pittsburgh area. This is my first trip there. I didn't know what to really expect because there was mixed reviews online. So I was really unsure of just what was going to be there, what the prices were going to be like. I watched Yinzer Picker's video before I went, so I kind of had semi idea of what was going on there. The crazy part was, as I was going through the bins, Yinzer Picker and his fiance walked through the door. This is the first time we met, and we only live 8 miles from each other. So it was cool to meet with them, talk with them, and just hang out for a few while we dug through some bins. So I'm going to show you what we found. Actually, before I show you what we found, I'm going to show you 2 clips of me while I was there. This is just from my phone, so it's not the greatest thing, but it will kind of give you an idea of what was in the bins. Let's get to the clips and I'll get to what I got. Okay, so now, oh, where's she at? This little Yinzer joins us too. She's coming out to sit in her seat. I'm gonna show you what we found. Hopefully you enjoyed those clips. I did ask if I can film there next time, and the guy that was working there said that his brother owns the place. So he said reach out to him and ask him, but he said it shouldn't be a problem. So hopefully I can get you some footage from there in the near future. One of the first things we found was this: scratch cards, colorful fireworks, brand new. This is the cherry blossoms one. Pretty interesting. It seems like there's a lot listed on eBay, and I'm thinking that this will probably sell for about $10 bucks. At the end, I'll tell you exactly how much we spent total for all these items. One of the next items, this thing right here is beetroot dietary supplement. There's 60 capsules, brand new sealed. It does not expire until 1 of 2023. As you can see in the video clip, that's when I found those. They sell for about $15 to $20 per bottle. We usually have really good luck with dietary supplements. We try to pick them up whenever, any chance we get, because most of the time they do sell. So keep your eyes open for dietary supplements. The next thing are some, I think these are stickers. No, they're patches. Maybe they are stickers. I think they are stickers. But there are, I think there's I'm not sure how many are in here. There's a lot of them. I'm not 100% sure. I'm actually gonna probably open them up and see what's in there. Might do a mystery lot of stickers. I'm not 100% sure yet. You wanna say hi? Say hi. She's just sitting in her chair enjoying the sunny day. Next, we found a San Francisco 49ers phone case. This is for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Brand new. Pretty interesting. There's a lot of 49ers fans out there. Shout out to Dante Prison to Profit. I know he's a 49ers fan. If you're watching this and need it, reach out to me. Also, the 49ers are playing semi-decent football this year, so I don't think I'll have an issue moving this. Oh, look at that. Middle Yinzer's handing me stuff. Next up, these are collapsible slow feeder bowls. They're teal. I don't know how many are in here, though. I'm going to have to open it up. I think there might be 2. As you can see right here, they're eco-friendly silicone, stainless steel clip. Pretty cool. I don't think it's a huge money maker, but they will definitely sell. Next up, we have some stickers. I think there's 100. Yeah, there's 100 animal stickers in here. So we're probably going to do a sticker lot with these. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's unopened, so we'll probably open it up and we'll probably do a sticker lot. Next item, I'm showing the back of it first. It is a tapestry. It's a golden lion tapestry for a living room or any room really. 60 by 40 inches right here. It actually looks kind of cool. Got some yeah, it looks pretty cool. Like a golden lion. Tapestries sell also. It's one thing too that I wish I'd pick up more and probably get to know that whole genre a little bit more, the whole niche, something like that. It's because some of those do sell for good money. That's probably not going to sell for good money, but somebody will probably want it. Next up, we have a luxury series case for an iPad 10.8 inch. It's black, brand new. Nice. It's a nice case. I'm not expecting much out of that, maybe 10 bucks or so. And to stay on the cases, we have a blue case here. This is also for, I think it's, iPad 8, iPad 7. It's in dark. Next, we have a running belt. It's a waist pack. It's in blue. Proud Panda. At first, I thought it said Proud Grandpa. But nope, it's Proud Panda. It's a nice running belt. If you do run, these are good because you can slip your phone in it, your keys, any little knickknacks that you have in your pocket before a race. So these are really cool. I'm gonna say 8 to 10 bucks on that also. Next up, we got some mouse traps. These are a Ogu mouse traps. There's 4 in this pack. That's what they look like. Mouse traps, I'm not sure how they do, but we have 4 here, and then we have an 8-pack here. So people are always looking for these. I mean, this is probably definitely over £1, so it's gonna have to go priority mail. I'm thinking 5 to 10 bucks. I'm thinking $10 for this pack and maybe 5 bucks for the other pack. This is pretty cool, and I've sold these before. It has a collapsible bowl in there, and it's also a dog backpack for outdoor traveling, camping, whatnot. Blue, I'm not sure what's, oh, it's for a large size dog. I'm not really sure how large of a dog, so I'm gonna say probably 10 to 12 bucks on this plus shipping. I say plus shipping, but we never do free shipping, so I'm trying to get away from saying that. Next thing we have South Carolina Gamecocks. This is a silicone team grips. It says it makes every drink a Gamecocks drink, but it's silicone right here, insulating. It's actually it's a little flexible. Fits a coffee shop cup, solo cup, cold beer cup, takeout cup. So that's pretty neat. And then to stay on a bottle holder, this is a bottle holder for Michigan State Spartans, logo brands, brand new with the tags. I'm thinking if I don't sell this, I might even give it to our pastor. Next, we have some headphones. These are Super Me in-ear headphones, small, medium, large, bright white, brand new in the pack. Look these up on Amazon. They go for about 19 bucks. I'm thinking on eBay, they're probably gonna do about $10 plus shipping, and they're really light, so it'll be next to nothing to ship on those. Next, we have another scratch pad. This one is the Dream Castle. Right there. Almost kind of reminds me of Cinderella's castle. Some fireworks and whatnot. But we did get 2 of those, as you can see right there. There's 2 of them. So, it's not a bad deal. What's nice about those is that they are light. So I can slip them in a box and they're just super light. They're gonna be really easy to ship. The next up, these are some interesting items, and I'm definitely taking a chance on these. And I mentioned this to Pittsburgh Picker while we were there. I said, you know what? I'm gonna take a chance on these because for the price that I got them at, it was really worth the chance, especially the way that everything seems to be going. But I picked these up. Stand here, social distancing, thank you. This is a 10 pack of 12-inch social distancing floor decals. But we got 3 packs of these ones. We got 1 pack of these ones. I'm not sure how many are in here though, because it doesn't say, but this one feels like it has more than 10. So I'm not 100% sure what's in here. But this is thank you for practicing social distancing 6 feet. We also got this one. This is a 10 pack of a warning sign for social distancing. And then we got this massive pack of blue ones. I'm not sure how many are in here because there's just so many. So what I might do is open it up, and I'm gonna have to open these up and count them. But I really think for the price I got this at, which I'll tell you at the end, I really think it's a really good deal. Disney Junior Mini Unicorn Minnie Mouse, brand new in the bag. What? You want that one? Yeah. We'll see. You think you have a lot of plush? Do you have a lot of plush? So it sounds like she's calling it, but if it doesn't sell, she can have it. Final thing we have, and this is the only reason this middle Yinzer is out here, and I'm gonna let her show you the next few items. So
these are all the same, but they're different kinds. We have.
Hold on, these are all poppets. These are all the fidget poppets.
I love poppets.
So she loves poppets. She's gonna show you each one and kind of just give you a, hey, these are what they are, and yeah, that's what she's gonna do. So take it away.
So the first thing we have this circle poppet. It's a mini poppet, and it is really pretty.
Don't they call that something? Isn't it like a? I
don't know what it's called.
I forget what they call it.
They usually call it a mini poppet.
Okay.
Next thing we have this phone case poppet. I think it's like for an iPhone or something. I don't know. It says mini pink.
Yeah, it's just a mini phone case. Okay.
Then we have, I do not know what this shape is.
I think it's a pineapple.
I think it's a strawberry. And
oh, you know what? You might be right.
This one, as you might not see this, but there's little characters on it.
Little cats. Okay.
Yeah. Next thing we have this orange.
It's just a basic orange.
Bubble pop.
It's just a basic orange poppet.
It's an orange poppet. It's new.
Okay.
These are all new, I think.
Yep, all brand new.
Next thing we have a 2-pack of poppets. They're the same shape but different colors.
What is that? Like
a square? I don't know.
Yeah, it doesn't. Yeah, what is that? Hexagon, octagon, like a honeycomb almost. Okay, and last but not least,
we have a jumbo poppet. It is.
What do you think that is? About 10 inches?
I don't know. It's really big and.
Pretty big.
I keep on telling Dad, if this doesn't sell, I really want that.
Yeah, it doesn't say how much, it doesn't say how big this thing is, but it's actually pretty big. So that is what we found today at the Amazon bin store. This is the first time we've had a bin store in our area. I know some other people have went to other bin stores, like, other states that are not that great, but sometimes the bin stores are good. And honestly, this one has a lot of potential, I think. I think there's some good items there. I think it is going to be one of those ones where you go and it's going to be hit or miss, because they said that they restock every day or every night. I think they're only open Wednesday through Sunday. I think it's right. So Mondays and Tuesdays, I think they're closed. You can go check out their website. I'll put their logo up here, and you also see their webpage and whatnot there, so you can go check them out. If you're in the Pittsburgh area, go check them out. These are places that we want to thrive and stay here, so they don't close down, because like I said, this is the only bin store we have near us, and hopefully more people go support them and maybe they'll get some better items. Thank you guys for tuning in to the channel. We do appreciate it. We are getting so close to 1,000 subs. It's crazy. We never thought we'd be. We never thought we'd have this many subs. We really didn't, and it is crazy how you guys watch our videos. So we do really love it. We love seeing the comments. We love seeing the likes. We love seeing you guys on our lives. Remember, we have Tuesday night takedown now instead of Monday motivation, so that's all done. And we might have other pop-up lives throughout the week. We're just not 100% sure what our rest of our live schedule is going to be. But I am going to have the middle Yinzer finish off this video. Well, before she finishes that video, I totally forgot one item. And I forgot to tell you how much we spent. But I found this shirt. It said Happy Camper. It's a size medium. My wife should be able to fit into this. I don't know if it'll be too big or not. But she loves camping, and sometimes she's a happy camper when she's camping. So I think she'll like this shirt. All these items, they counted them up. These all came from the dollar bins. They have dollar bins, $5 bins, $10 bins. They have some mystery boxes. They also have some pallets also. But all these items came from the $1 bin. I think there's a little over 30 items. I really didn't count. That's what he said it was. But I got everything here for a grand total of $30. Now, I think just the beetroot dietary supplements are going to sell for 15 to 20, so that's half the profit there. I really think there's a lot of money to be made here. Not a super ton, but I think we're going to have a good flip here, I think, with all this stuff, especially with Christmas coming up, and a lot of this stuff is sealed already, so I think we're going to do good. But here, I'm going to let the middle Yinzer finish this video now.
Be kind, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking. Bye.